Ever wondered how to navigate the financial sea as a couple? Well, buckle up, we're sailing into it. Firstly, communication is key. Chat about your financial goals, dreams, and fears. No secrets here, folks. Secondly, create a joint budget. Calculate your combined income and expenses. A tip: prioritize your needs before your wants. Thirdly, save for the rainy days. Squirrel away a portion of your income each month. Trust me, it'll come handy when the storm hits. Finally, respect each other's financial independence. Just because you're a team doesn't mean you can't have individual financial goals. Remember, managing finances as a couple is not about restrictions. It's about building a secure future together. So dive in, start the conversation, and create your financial plan today. Enjoyed this quick guide? Then don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and share this with your friends. For more love and relationship advice, click the link in the description. And hey, we'd love to hear your thoughts, so drop a comment below. Until next time, keep the conversation going.